Hi, I'm Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be talking about Blue Notary Ledger. Ledger is the all-in-one financial hub built specifically for modern notaries. If you're serious about running your notary work like a real business and not just a hobby, Ledger helps you master your numbers so your numbers don't master you. So, what is Ledger? Ledger is a notary-focused financial hub designed for Blue Notary Pro members. It gives you one centralized dashboard for earnings, expenses, and tax obligations. So instead of juggling spreadsheets, notebooks, and random notes in your phone, you have one clean place to see the full picture of your business. So you have less time on spreadsheets and more time with your clients. Inside Ledger, you get a live dashboard that tracks income by day, week, month, or year. You can immediately see percentage-based changes so you know whether your business is growing or slowing down. And with the earnings tracker, you can clearly separate what's pending from what's been paid. So you don't have to guess anymore. You'll definitely know where your revenue is coming from and when you are getting paid. One of the major features of Ledger is the wet ink signature sessions. This bridges the gap between digital and traditional notary journaling. You can create and edit sessions for in-person notarizations, not just your online ones. And with electronic journaling, you maintain compliant records of every act, even those performed outside of the platform in the real world. That means your records stay organized, whether you're remote or face-to-face with your client. If you travel for signings, mileage matters. Ledger makes it effortless. All you have to do is put in the address and it calculates the miles for you automatically. This helps you maximize deductions and make sure that you're not losing cash on travel expenses. You can also track which travel has been reimbursed and which hasn't, because every mile adds up and you want to make sure you're keeping track of all of them. Ledger also includes a convenient invoicing tool. You can send professional invoices by email or shareable link to your clients. You can record payments made through Blue Notary or external methods like cash or Venmo. And most importantly, you never lose track of who owes you money. Professional business owners track receivables. Now you can too as a notary. Next, let's talk about a season that a lot of people don't like to think about, which is tax season. With Ledger, tax season doesn't have to feel chaotic. Ledger includes a built-in tax calculator to estimate your self-employment tax based on the notarial acts that you have done. You'll receive deadline alerts so you can stay ahead of quarterly payments and avoid penalties. And there's access to state-specific tax information and required forms. You can track notarial act fees that may be exempt from self-employment tax. And this is all about staying informed and staying compliant. Now, let's talk about session expenses and deductions. You can add expenses like supplies, paper, or parking directly into specific sessions. Upload and store digital receipts for a clean audit trail. And ensure every deductible charge is properly accounted for, which helps lower your taxable income. Organization is not optional if you want to scale, and Ledger makes it simple. So how can you get started? First, input your data. Log your existing invoices, mileage, and recent earnings. Second, you can track your progress. Check your dashboard weekly so you can see real-time updates on your income and the savings that you've been logging. And third, simplify your taxes. Use the Tax Hub at the end of each quarter to download reports for easy quarterly filing. So if you're ready to scale your notary business, Ledger helps you. It helps you to save time on bookkeeping, maximize tax saving and deductions, and professionalize your client interactions. So you should join Blue Notary Pro and unlock Ledger today. Ledger helps keep you organized, profitable, and prepared.